Hey everyone! Welcome or welcome back to KM Budgets and Journals. I'm Kara. Today we are going to work on replenishing my emergency fund by using the 12 face cards challenge from Drew at Ready Budget Go. This will save about $1,400 altogether when it's done. So yeah. How is everybody doing today? I have $250 here to start with, so what we're going to do is just put that on the calculator and kind of go until we can't go anymore. Okay, so which card are we going to first? And that is number 6. Okay. And then let's roll. Well, since there's 12 on here, I might as well just roll another d12. See which one we're going to scratch. Number 8. So that's 6, 7, and 8. And that is a 10. Perfect. All right, where to next? Number 4. I'm like, where did I put the others? And number 12. That's a 6. Number 8. That's a 9. 13. Okay. Number 3. Third one. That's a 12. This might take a minute. Okay. And this video is probably only going to be like maybe once a month or so, because I have, like, I'll put challenges towards it, and then at the end of the month we'll see how much that totaled and kind of do this same thing. So we got 10. I'm just starting off strong because I got a decent tax refund from my state return. So what am I doing? Number 9. Okay. 11. And I suppose I forgot that there's like a little thing on the back. So the King of Diamonds takes after Julius Caesar, the cunning Roman general and emperor of Rome until his assassination on the Ides of March. And the month of July is also named for him. Well, that's cool. Alright, so that was that one. Number 6. Number 1. And that's a 12. The King of Hearts is Charlemagne. What does this one say? Oh boy, I'll just hold it up so y'all can pause and read if you want to. That's a lot of words. That's cool though. Alright, next. Number 12. Number 8. That's a 3. Number 5. 2. Queen of Hearts. And that's a 12. Number 3. Number 1. That's a 9. Number 11. Ooh, we haven't done one on this one yet. We got number 6. And that's a 10. I feel like if maybe I had a scratcher tool, I wouldn't shake the entire table, but I don't know. I could be wrong. All right, number 10. Ooh, we haven't had one on this one yet either. Number 7. And that is also 10. Back to number 12. We got number 4. Which is another $12. Number 1. Got the second one. Oh, I was forgetting to hold them up on the back again, wasn't I? And that's an 8. Number 10. That's a 7. Number 5. We already did that one. Number 12. Okay. Is that a 17 or an 11? I think that's an 11. Ooh, we're under 100. Number 4. Oops. Number 6. Is it 12? Okay. Where to next? Number 7. Ooh, we hadn't had any on this one either. So it's the Trojan Warrior. We're doing number 5. And that's 13. Next, we're on number 6. Already did number 1. Number 10. I think it's because I'm using my mat underneath. Yes, you guys, it took me that long to figure that out. But we got a 5. Okay. So next, back to number 12. All right, so that's 8, which we've done. 1, which we've done. 4, which we've done. 3. And we got a 6. Going back to number 4. We got an 8. Which is an 11. And then we're going to card number 11. That's funny. We're going to do number 1. I wonder, like, if I used paper clip, would that be better? No, I'm just going to have to move the mat, I guess, for this next video. So that's 7, 10, 9, should be here, 12, 5, 3. Come on. Because they're really nice scratchers. 8. Going to number 9. 5. Is that a 15? It is. Nice. Leaves us with 9 left. Let's go for it. Number 6. Number 2. And we got a 3. And I don't mind having an IOU in here. So back to card number 6, 4, and 8. So we have a $2 IOU, which is totally fine. Do I have an IOU here somewhere? I do. Let's use this cute one from Christine's Creations. We'll say IOU, $2. Well, that's super cool. So note to self, the mat cannot be underneath or find something hard, I suppose. All right, so let's see. Did we get one on everyone? Number 1. We didn't get any on number 2. Okay, cool. But we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Nice. Okay, so that's $250 into my emergency fund. I know Dave Ramsey, like, they do, or his method, excuse me, does the $1,000 emergency fund. So ultimately I'd like to get mine up to $1,500, which is why we're playing this, $1,400, so I'd be totally good with $1,400. So yeah, thanks so much for hanging, and we will try this again sometime in another few weeks. Bye!